Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be writing an automation script on Books to Scrape, which is just a scraping website that where they allow you just to scrape these books with randomly generated prices, which you can read here. Here's our default script. We just have our CSV writer set up for title, price, and review. And yeah, let's just get started. So first, I'll just show you how easy this is with Automize. So you just go ahead and open it up. Let's select the book here. We'll just do this first one. Okay, that looks pretty good. So let's grab that. Um, and it looks like we probably want to grab every list element. So that looks good. So let's copy. Okay, so let book this dot all. Okay, and I'll loop through here for. Okay, then for each one of these, so we'll just use the first one. We're going to set that as our root node. We need to get the rating. So let's click on this. Okay, so it would be article. I think P would be fine. Okay, so we can grab that, and we're going to get the let us get the classes, right? Because we want to see that it says 3. So if I double click on that again, we're going to do this, and we just need the classes. Okay, so in this case, we are going to return all of them, right? So let's do something like this. Okay, and I'm going to grab my string from Automize, put this here. So let class is this. And then instead of doing this would be our book element. Whoops, I don't know what's going on here. So then we would do the P, and we want to evaluate. We'll just return the class list. So just do L dot class list. Okay. So this would be classes. Okay, is equal to this right here. Okay, yeah, I see. I accidentally hit CSS, which is why it was giving me that background data. But I can actually just steal this here, and we'll do class list dot value. Okay, so this will give me my classes, so that we can figure out what the rating is, right? Because it says the word 3 here, but we'll come back to this in a second. Now let's get. It looks like that's H3 is the. Yep. So that would be the title. Okay, so let title is equal to await book elements. This. Okay, and we want to get the inner text. So let's grab the inner text by doing that. Okay, so lastly, we need to just get the price. So we're gonna come here, and it looks like that is do P with price color dot inner text. Okay, so we'll just print this out. So console.log, and we're gonna do the title followed by the price followed by the list of classes. Okay, and just like that, we can see it prints the title, the price, and the class list, which says star rating and 3. Okay, so we want to parse this list, star rating and 3, to actually this might be a string, but we just want to see if it contains our rating. So our rating lookup is going to be, we'll just do like let ratings is equal to this, right? So it'd be word would be 1, value is 1, and then we'll do 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2, and I think this is a little silly, but I think they do this as a good practice for taking classes and turning it into data. So this value would be 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now this classes, we're going to see ratings dot find, okay, because we want to find it. So this would be our rating. So it's looking at one of these. So we would say r.word classes that includes, okay, r.word, right? So if the classes says 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to return the whole thing. And then we just want to get the value. So this would be let rating val is equal to this. Okay, and let's check to see if that works correctly. So we'll do this. And okay. Whoops, I forgot to include this return statement here. Silly mistake. So when we run this, you can see here we get the numbers. So this is 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, and you can divide that by 5 to get the percentage, or whatever you wanted to do. So lastly, all we have to do is actually just write this to a CSV. So let's do. We have our records, right? So we can just do records.push, and we will do this object is what we want to push on here. So title, price, and review. So review is going to equal to our rating value. Title is going to be title, price is price, review is rating val. And then it's going to write it out to our file, data.csv. So now if we run this, okay, it's going to run. And then now if we open up our data.csv, let's see, it's probably just taking a second. All right, and there you have it. So if we looked at this as a chart, we could see here's our title, there's our price, and there's our review. So thanks for watching. Follow for more.